In this video, I'll show you how to upload videos to Instagram from your computer. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to go to Instagram.com. You're gonna sign in like I just did. And once you're inside Instagram, what you're going to do is select Create. You will see this icon right here on the left. And here you're going to have three different options. The first one is to create a post. The second option is to go live. This is also a really great option in case you like to go live and you find it more comfortable to do it on your computer. And then you can create an ad. Since we're posting a video, I will select post. Now here you can either drag the photos or the videos into the screen, but I'm just gonna go ahead and select them from my computer. Okay, so once you have your videos, simply click on open and it will take a few minutes to load. Okay, I have my video ready. I'm gonna go ahead and click on next. Here you can play around with your video. You can make it bigger, smaller. And then right here at the top, you can select your cover for Reels. You also have the option to import a picture from your computer. You can do that by clicking right here. If you don't want your video to have any sound, simply disable this option and select next. Now here you can type in your caption. You can even add emojis right here and select something positive that you want to add to your feed. You can even add hashtags. And then you also have the option to add a location, to tag people, and to add them as a collaborator to your video. And under advanced settings, you have the option to hide your like and view count. And then you can also turn off commenting if you don't want to receive any comments. Once you're ready, simply click on share, and it might take a few moments to upload, but that's pretty much what you need to do if you want to upload a video to Instagram using your computer. I hope this video helped you.